Sometimes we throw away things without realizing how powerful they can be for our garden. In this method, we turn something most people ignore into a rich, natural liquid that gives plants energy to grow stronger, greener, and more productive. It's simple, budget-friendly, and uses items already available at home. With just a little time and care, you'll create a natural booster that works better than most chemical fertilizers. Start by taking about 1.5 kilograms of spoiled fruits and fruit peels and placing them in a bucket. Add some compost, either homemade or from a reliable source, and mix it thoroughly with the fruit waste. The compost helps break down the fruit faster and adds beneficial microorganisms that support plant growth. Blend this mixture well, using your hands or a stick. Next, pour in about 10 liters of rainwater or clean, chlorine-free water. If you're using tap water, leave it in an open container for 24 hours so the chlorine can evaporate. Chlorine can harm the helpful bacteria in the mix, so this step is important. Cover the bucket with a loose lid or a piece of cloth. This keeps insects out while still allowing air to circulate. Let the mixture sit for about 2 weeks. During this time, stir it every few days to help the ingredients break down evenly. A sour or fermented smell might develop. This is completely normal and indicates that the mixture is becoming nutrient-rich. Over time, the color will darken and the texture will become more liquid-like. While that mixture ferments, you can prepare onion peel water. About a week before the main mix is ready, take some onion peels and soak them in warm water. Not boiling, just warm. Let this sit for a week so that the onion peels release potassium, sulfur, and other nutrients into the water. After the main mixture has fermented for 2 weeks, pour the onion peel water into it and stir thoroughly. This step combines all the nutrients and beneficial elements into one powerful liquid fertilizer. At this stage, the mixture contains good bacteria, natural sugars, minerals, potassium, phosphorus, and a small amount of nitrogen. However, it's too strong to use directly on plants, so it must be diluted. Use 1 part of the liquid fertilizer and mix it with 10 parts of clean water or rainwater. For example, 1 cup of fertilizer should be mixed with 10 cups of water. Stir the diluted mixture well and it's ready to use. You can pour it directly onto the soil around your plants, or use it for watering early in the morning or in the evening. Avoid applying it during the hottest part of the day. This homemade fertilizer improves soil health by introducing beneficial bacteria and organic matter. These bacteria help unlock existing nutrients in the soil, making them more accessible to plants. The nutrients from the fruit and peels help plants grow faster, become more vibrant, and produce more flowers or fruit. The potassium from onion peels strengthens plants, improves resistance to disease, supports root development, and helps them cope with stress from heat or pests. Apply this fertilizer every 10 to 15 days to see noticeable results in your garden. It's suitable for most vegetables, flowers, and fruit plants. Plus, it reduces household waste in an eco-friendly way by transforming scraps into a natural plant booster that works without the use of chemicals. If you're interested in learning more about homemade fertilizers or garden sprays, check out our other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share with fellow gardening enthusiasts, and like the video to support what we do.